This question asks us to write a Python program that will accept the base and height of a triangle and return the area. I'm going to define a function, and also we should know the area of the triangle to calculate it. It's basically height multiplied by base and then divided by 2. So let's do it. So def, and I'm going to call this function, I'm going to call it triangle area, and in parentheses I'm going to pass in 2 parameters, base and height of a triangle. So base and then height. You can add centimeters here. So, and then we need to return that area. So we need to basically put this formula here, and I'm gonna say instead of base, say base in centimeters, and then height in centimeters, and then now we are ready to run the function. So we need to call the function. I'm gonna basically copy this, and then instead of these 2 parameters, I'm going to pass in 2 arguments. So for instance, 4 for base and 5 centimeters for height, and then print. Let's run it. So for this, red, basically yellow underline, you see that went away. So run it, give us 10. Very easy. You can also try other numbers here. So you can say 8 and for instance 4. Run it, gives us 16. You can polish this print statement a little bit. You can say the area of triangle is equal to this. So I'm going to put a string. Basically, I'm going to make it a string. I'm going to put a quotation mark here. And then this is the function. This part is the function that is running. So I need to do it in a way that, make it distinct from other parts of the this string. To do this, I put curly brackets around it. Now I format this string, and now you can see the color changed here in this function. And you can now run this function, and there you go. It says that the area of triangle is equal to 16. You can add one more thing, 16 centimeters. So run it. So the area of triangle is equal to 16 centimeters. And that's all about this tutorial. Thanks for watching.